Hello, my name is Erika Vargas, and I'm a partner at Geklaw and a certified specialist by the State Bar of California in the field of workers' compensation law. We represent injured workers in California, workers' compensation cases, employed in both the private and public sectors. Today I want to talk to you about workers' compensation for those suffering with aggravation of a pre-existing injury. Not all workers' compensation cases involve a completely healthy individual who gets injured out of nowhere. Oftentimes, workers' compensation cases will involve workers who have pre-existing health conditions that might get in the way of them being able to work if injured on the job. There is a myth that employers do not have to cover workers who suffer from pre-existing conditions. This is not the case. You may still be entitled to coverage under the workers' compensation system. A pre-existing condition is defined as an injury or illness that affects a worker prior to a workplace accident or exposure. These conditions are often made worse or flare up again because of a work environment or condition. Pre-existing conditions cover both the physical injuries and the mental illnesses a person may accrue over their life. There are many different injuries and illnesses that are classified as a pre-existing injury. This may include an ACL tear, arthritis, asthma, back injuries, carpal tunnel syndrome, gastrointestinal issues, heart disease including high blood pressure, herniated discs or fractures, joint issues, mental health disorders, neck injuries, shoulder dislocation or concussion, strains and sprains. This is just a small fraction of the injuries and illnesses that could be considered pre-existing conditions in a workers' compensation case. Ultimately, the best thing to do is disclose anything you think might be a pre-existing condition with your employer and a doctor. An aggravation occurs when a pre-existing condition is made worse permanently by the new injury. Regardless of whether you had a pre-existing condition before your work-related injury, you may be entitled to financial compensation. If there is in fact a permanent aggravation, more than a simple flare-up or temporary worsening of the symptoms, then in most cases, financial compensation should be paid. If you have further questions about this topic or issues concerning a workers' compensation, employment, or personal injury matter, please feel free to call 213-739-7000 or submit an inquiry at info@geklaw.com. And for more information, please go to our website, www.geklaw.com. Thank you.